Jain Shrine of the Museum of Fine Arts in St. Petersburg is made of a dense type of wood and displayed a red paint coating on almost of its surfaces. The exception are the two doors at the center, which would hide the deity, made of metal painted in tones of green. A closer look at the ceiling of the shrine, which faces downwards and was never exposed to the elements nor gathered dust, sports a vivid red. Knowing this, the objective of the cleaning was to reveal this intense red across the piece, hidden by an aged shellac varnish and accumulated dirt. After a series of solubility tests, including detergents and organic solvents, isopropanol, aka rubbing alcohol in gel, proven to be an effective stripping agent of the shellac coating without damaging the red paint. The gel is applied onto the surfaces with a soft brush and gently rubbed off. Isopropanol or ethanol on a brush help remove the soluble varnish into a paper towel. Crevices and other hard-to-reach areas of the shrine had to be cleaned using cotton swabs with isopropanol mixed with a little bit of ammonia.